This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of January. I'm James Spann. At this time yesterday, we were in continuous tornado coverage. Today, not a cloud in the sky, just gorgeous. The weather stays nice and tranquil for a while. So let's take a look at the upper air view this afternoon. This is the way things are shaping up about 18,000 feet off the ground. You can see that upper low that's over Minnesota and Iowa, and that trough is progressive, and we have a nice push of dry air into the state. All 67 counties now with a sunny sky. Those clouds that we had earlier today are long gone. That band of storms that came through here during the pre-dawn hours, that is now from near Savannah down to about Indian Pass, Florida, moving on down through the peninsula tonight. And it feels good. Goodness, temperatures are in the upper 60s over the northern half of the state and mid-70s over South Alabama. Look at Mobile, 76, Dothan at 74. Temperatures will be cooling down, though, the next couple of days. There's the watch warning map for the southeastern states, a tornado watch for a small part of North Florida and southeastern Georgia for that line of storms. And up north, a few scattered winter weather advisories. But really, the big story nationally, it's California. They're going to be slammed with a lot of mountain snow again and lots of rain for the low elevations, and they have a chance of flooding there, and that'll be the case for a few days. But quite frankly, they could use that moisture. Severe storms a possibility on the Atlantic coast in advance of the front that brought us the nasty weather last night. Tomorrow, no severe weather expected across the country, and Friday, day 3, not a single thunderstorm across the United States, which is certainly a good thing. So this is the rain for the next 7 days. And again, you can see for Alabama, just not very much. And really, the heavier totals around Dothan you see there, that was for the rain that came down this morning. And for the next 7 days, rain amounts will likely be under 1/4 of an inch. So model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4, troughing over the east, and another beautiful day. We start the day around 40, the high close to 60 for north central Alabama, low 60s for south Alabama. This is Friday. We'll start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 50s for the northern counties of the state, and that's exactly where we should be. That is average for early January. So what about the weekend, you ask? This is Saturday. A little feature could push a few showers in here maybe by Saturday night. That's Saturday at 4 o'clock. I think the day Saturday will be dry. Partly to mostly sunny, and a good chance we'll see low and mid-60s. Should be a fairly pleasant day, but we will mention a chance of showers Saturday night and Sunday. This is Sunday, but this is not a severe weather look. Rain amounts will likely be light. Just a few showers around Sunday, mostly cloudy with a high in the upper 50s in most spots. Monday of next week, that feature is on by. High pretty close to 60. And this is Tuesday. The next wave comes in, and again, a little light rain around, nothing too heavy. The high should be in the 50s, and this is a week from today, Wednesday the 11th, troughing off to the east, and a cool, dry air mass in place. Should be a sunny day next Wednesday with highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. Looks like there could be some pretty good snows up in the northeast if this verifies. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 14th of January. Troughing to the east, and once again, we're dry and pretty cool. The thickness values coming way down. That might be noticeably colder if this verifies, but we all know this is 10 days out, and that could change. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. We're looking for that green line. That's the mean, about 2 inches between now and the 19th of January. Temperatures off the national blend of models. This is for Birmingham. You can see mid to upper 50s tomorrow and Friday. Low 60s for the weekend, and next week highs around 60 and lows around 40, and then noticeably colder toward the end of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new outlook, 8 to 14 days out. This is for January 12th through the 18th. And if this verifies, temperatures could be a little above average here, but understand, cold weather fans, that cold air will be coming back. Winter is just beginning. So when I go back to this morning, this was the radar from Maxwell Air Force Base. And this frame was taken at 3:06 a.m. early this morning. And you can see that area of rotation in the eastern part of Montgomery, and that did produce a tornado. And this might be the most significant tornado of the event out in the East Chase area. This is some of the damage from Montgomery that occurred this morning about 3:15. And again, these are really tough middle-of-the-night tornadoes that don't last long, hard to warn for. A lot of people are asleep and they don't hear the warning. But we have heard of no injuries as a result of this. But again, the damage was very significant. And the Weather Service survey teams are looking at it now. They did identify the tornado up in Elmore County, northeast of Montgomery, as an EF2. That's the one that came through Holtville and Lake Jordan. And the Spring Hill Galleon tornado in parts of Marengo and Hale counties in West Alabama, that was rated as an EF1. And understand, after an event like this, it's going to take the Weather Service days to complete their survey work, and that these tornadoes are short track. They didn't last long. It's going to be hard to identify all of them, but we could easily have maybe up to 10 tornadoes that came down with that event yesterday and last night. And, of course, the rains were tremendous. We had some folks with 3- and 4-inch rain amounts. But, again, things are nice and quiet. That's going to do it for the video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. Had a great time today at Children's of Alabama. Tomorrow, headed to Huntsville. See a homeschool group there. Friday, we've got Pelham Oaks Elementary in Shelby County. And then Saturday, we have a book signing. This will be in Hamilton, and this will be the first one of 2023. And again, I was up at Hamilton actually yesterday. Saw the kids there at the elementary school. But the book signing, it is from 10 until 1 at the Mill House Coffee shop and cafe in Hamilton, 10 to 1. So if you're in Marion County, Northwest Alabama, come see us. We take piles of pictures. We have a lot of fun at those things. They're just great. We'll have the books, the shirts, all the weather dweeb stuff there. So thank you guys for watching. Catch us over on the news in Studio A across the hall and ABC 3340.